Save time and money and reduce SKUs with Arlington's cost-effective MC cable fittings. They're super convenient and easy to install. And now, in addition to MC, PVC-jacketed MC and Teck cable, Arlington's MC cable fittings are listed for use with tray cable and steel and aluminum flexible metal conduit. Available in multiple sizes with a built-in end stop, each fitting comes with additional end stop bushings that accommodate different size cable bundles. One trade size fits several cable types and sizes, including FMC for super convenience and versatility. Reduces inventory and material handling, too. Using an end stop bushing is fast and easy. Locate and line up the edges of the half-moon shape on the bushing with the fitting and insert the bushing. Determine the proper fitting and/or bushing by using Arlington's free wire bundle template or by sizing it to the cable bundle. Notes on the template will help you quickly and easily determine the proper size bushing. Remember to size to the cable bundle, not the metal or plastic jacket. There's no need to remove the strap. Just loosen the screws, lift the strap, and insert the bushing as needed that works with the cables you're installing in a dry location. Then retighten the screws to secure the strap on the cable. Arlington's MC cable fittings, the CUL US listed versatile fitting for MC, PVC-jacketed MC, tray cable, steel and aluminum flexible metal conduit, and Teck cable in Canada.